I fell in love with wood turning because I just find it's hypnotic. It's almost like a dance. Finding the right rhythm and the right movement. We're in this trance together and we're creating this beautiful form. I'm like right there on the edge. One more cut and the whole piece is ruined, or one more cut and this is the perfect form. I enjoy working with green lumber because I want to tell the story not only of the piece but of the lumber that I'm working with. I try not to hide the imperfections of the piece. I try to accentuate them. I don't want my pieces to be perfect. I want my pieces to be intentionally human-made. I like to think that my pieces are of heirloom quality. I'm not creating pieces that are to be used once and thrown away. I really enjoy designing and creating. It's just a beautiful expression of me as a person. I've poured my time and my heart, my soul, my passion into that work, and I think that's beautiful to be able to pass along to another person a bit of you.